Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are the second group, and let me introduce first. I'm Wilda Metalia and my friends.
I'm Fauzatul Hasana.
I'm Vivin Sapitri.
And I'm Isda Amikasili.
Okay, now we would like to tell you about the atmosphere in the campus and the rappers in this area. Okay, take it on.
Well, I'm Isda Aminikasili and
I'm Fauzatul Hasana
as the first speaker. The atmosphere on the campus of IAIN Madura, in our opinion, is not pleasant and does not include greenery due to the lack of trees and the many bare trees which make the campus feel very hot. Sometimes the burning of garbage in the campus area is not sufficient outside the campus area, which sometimes makes students feel uncomfortable due to the fear pollution and makes students feel uncomfortable.
And we can see around the ditch or around the road inside the campus that there is still a lot of garbage scattered about due to the lack of awareness of the campus community, so it's feel not comfortable with us.
Okay, next Wilda Metalia as the second speakers. Before we talk about garbage on the campus, it's better if we look at ourselves, because what we do and what we get depends on our own actions. It's not strangers to us about us that has become the forefront of society. Students talking about cleanliness, it can be said that this campus is a little responsibilities and where we can collect a minimum and place in the next to see where we can collect garbage. But is burned in the corner of the faculty, which is that case can disrupt the comfort for students and cause the air we breathe is not fresh. Garbage should be collected in one place and specially prepared to accommodate all the garbage on the campus. Switch the topic to garbage that is scattered everywhere. The lack of service to keep ourselves from the individual, and we are already consider ourselves as students should be able to set an example for good things for society in the future. If for small things we can see how we can get into society, this thing that is seen as bad is not us but our campus. Okay, let's next to the third speaker. Speakers is Vivien
Is Vivin Sapitri. I'm the third or the last speakers. So we as a community, especially of a student, must understand the importance of keeping the environment clean. One of which is by throwing garbage in its place. Besides that, we must have awareness that littering can have an impact on health. Damage to the environment, impact on socio-economics, and the occurrence of floods. So it can be concluded that the cause of people littering is due to the lazy factor. Arrogancy to think that the officer will clean it. Lack of self-awareness, lack of care for the environment around the remote location of the trash, and the lack of trash cans. And we should strengthen our sense of concern for others, especially for office who are in the campus environment in are determined to ourselves to make change so as not to litter.
Okay, next in the conclusion, we have to keep and we have to have responsibilities because it can be a big influence for our future. And the last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.